Is your GMC Sierra's brake pedal sinking to the floor? You're not alone. Let's break down why this happens, and how to fix it. Brakes are your truck's most important safety feature, but some GMC Sierra owners have reported scary problems, like the pedal going soft or the brakes barely working at all. The main culprit? A bad brake booster or a failed vacuum pump. These parts help give your brakes the power boost you need to stop quickly. When they fail, your brakes lose power, fast. You might notice warning signs. The pedal feels hard, it travels too far, or your truck takes longer to stop. Sometimes you'll even see a brake warning light on your dash. So what should you do? First, don't keep driving. Get your truck checked by a mechanic right away. If it's the vacuum pump or brake booster, they might need to replace or repair those parts. Some Sierra models were even recalled for brake problems. So check your VIN for any open recalls. Prevention is key. Keep up with brake fluid checks and regular service. If something feels off, trust your gut and get it checked. Brakes save lives. Don't wait until it's too late. Take care of your Sierra and your brakes will take care of you.